Unveiling the Mystique, the world of folk healers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into a particularly intriguing phrase, folk healer. Let's unravel its meaning and significance together. First, let's break down the phrase into its two components, folk and healer. Folk refers to people, especially those belonging to a specific group or community. It often implies traditional, cultural, or communal aspects. Healer, on the other hand, is someone who restores health, be it physical, emotional, or spiritual. Combining these, a folk healer is a person who heals using traditional, often culturally specific methods. Folk healers play a crucial role in many communities around the world. They are often respected figures in their communities, possessors of traditional knowledge passed down through generations, healers who use natural remedies, rituals, and spiritual practices. Their practices might include herbal medicine, spiritual healing, and ancient rituals, differing vastly from conventional Western medicine. To bring this closer to home, let's look at some examples. In Chinese tradition, acupuncture and herbal remedies are common. Native American healers often use rituals, prayer, and herbal medicine. In many Latin American cultures, curanderos or shamans play a significant role in healing practices. I hope this video has been an enlightening journey into the world of folk healers. These individuals are not just healers but guardians of ancient wisdom and cultural practices. Thank you for watching, and stay curious about the wonders of language and culture.